One of the best experiences I've ever had.
It's a summer that you're always going to remember.
One of the most wonderful experiences you'll have in your entire life.
RAHI provides a transformational experience for young rural and Alaska Native students that changes the opportunities and trajectory of their lives. Just as importantly, it changes the trajectory in preparing a generation of leaders for the state of Alaska and for our country.
The goal for RAHI is to make sure that a student understands college.
It's an academic boot camp. It's 6 weeks of self-discovery where they see if they can live away from mom and dad, if they can answer the alarm clock, if they can crank out papers.
It's a semester of college, crammed into 6 weeks.
It's like a summer camp, but more intense.
I wanted to go to RAHI because honestly, all I heard was good news about it.
I think it's just important to be able to live on your own and know how to take care of yourself and be able to study independently.
RAHI was introduced in 1983. There was not enough Alaska Native women or men graduating from college.
The goal of RAHI is for us to increase the college going rate for rural and Alaska Native students.
This program provides the stepping stone, if you will, for a student from rural Alaska to come into a safe environment at the University of Alaska Fairbanks for a short period of time.
I've met many people who've benefited from RAHI, and wherever I go around the state, people refer, I'm a RAHI graduate, I attended RAHI, I went to the university, but I wouldn't have made it unless RAHI was a part of my program.
There's a lot of challenges in rural Alaska with education at the K-12 level. For example, the school that I went to in my village, for 6th grade to 12th grade, we had a single teacher. And so RAHI really fulfills this critical need to help students who are coming from rural communities and rural schools.
They teach them not only the education piece and they receive college credit for that, but they're also complementing that college credit education with other things like service leadership and Native culture.
I gotta say the best part about RAHI is my fellow RAHI students.
We're all like one big family.
I try to mingle with everyone just to soak up what everyone has to teach me.
The type of students that Rural Alaska Honors Institute likes to see are students who are driven in and outside of school.
We're looking for students who are thinking about post-secondary.
It is very competitive. It's scholarship-based, and so when the students get selected to attend RAHI, they pay nothing.
You come, you have this wonderful experience, you start to build a transcript, it costs them nothing, and they've made the next step.
From day one, the expectation is they will succeed. And I think that's really critical.
My whole goal was to let the students know that I want them to graduate from college.
I do feel more prepared after attending RAHI.
I feel more confident for going to college in the future.
Not only being able to live on campus, but being able to attend the classes and seeing what that is like.
And my RAHI graduation personally was happiest of all the graduations I've been in, and because I worked so hard in the program in order to succeed.
RAHI was a really great experience. It's been very much a growing experience for me.
It's absolutely amazing.
You'll feel so proud about yourself and that you get to go home with a certificate and show your parents.
We need financial contributions to help the program to be able to continue year to year to support the ability of students.
If somebody wants to be a part of making a difference, I think that RAHI is a great place to start.
My wish is that we would be able to provide the opportunity to a lot more students across our state.